here at the Avondale Market early in the morning. I just cleared out my room and my house. Yeah, and I'm just selling all this stuff, so. This is definitely the earliest I've ever been up. So I've just had a lady come over. She wanted to buy one of these crystals. This one here for $10, but I'm selling it for $15. It's still only like 6 a.m. I think. Yeah, just turned 6 a.m. Still another 6 hours in the market. So I'll hold on to my price until, you know, a little bit later on. If it's still here, then I'll lower the price because I need to get rid of everything.
Now, I'm not going to lie, the morning started off pretty slow, but then again, it was 6 a.m. and not many other people were up. Majority of the things I was selling was just household junk that I've collected over the years. Clothing, crystals, a few collectible items here and there, and this NutriBullet as well. Now, a massive tip for your items to get sold more easily is to display them very clearly. I'm just taking these cups out of this box so everyone can see what they look like.
It's 10 past 6 now, starting to pick up a little bit. So something funny has just happened. Some dude came over and bought some shoes for $20 off me. And I see him walk it back to a stall and put it on the table where he's selling. So he would have just bought it off me and he's reselling it like 3 stalls down. So, I mean, hey, I rate the hustle, good on him. Maybe I underpriced it. But it's all right now, we're doing good, we're doing good. So I'm also selling this, which is something I painted. Let's see if we can sell it. I mean, if it does sell, maybe I've got a career in art. But I thought it'd be fun, you know, just a good experiment to see how it does. So let's give it a go. Yeah, brother. No worries. No problem.
Someone just bought the blender for $30.
Still before 7, we've already made well over 50. Not bad at all, at all.
There you go, bro.
Cheers, thank you so much. I just sold a massive amethyst crystal for $20 and also 5 clothes hangers for $2. So you never know what people buy because I was gonna throw them all out. So hey, definitely worth it. It's been very interesting.
The market started to pick up and I started getting heaps of interest in my stores, which was great. People were checking out items left, right, and center, and I was able to sell a decent amount of things.
Just sold a watch, a Walkman, and a painting, each around $5. So we're up 15 again. So things are looking really good.
What's real, okay?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Because
It's gotten way too hot that I'm having to use one of the hats I'm selling just for a bit of shade, otherwise I'm just gonna get cooked. Update, it's now 9:40 and things have slowed down significantly. So I might make a plan to pick up some engagement, whether that be make a sign or start shouting. We'll see. I'll wait for like another 20 and then see what happens.
Update, I did not wait another 20 minutes. I decided to immediately make a sign saying everything must go, make an offer, and to attract some more people to come and take a look at the items. And within minutes of making the sign, people started to come to try and get a good bargain.
Hey? Oh, well, basically I'm moving out, so I need to get rid of everything. So, you know,
everything what?
well, I need like, just if you want anything, give me a decent offer and I'll give it to you. Very good price, all of them, everything.
Really?
Yeah, what would you
How
like?
much is this one?
I can do $5.
$5.
Yeah.
I kept holding up the sign and started selling items, and as you can see, people started coming over, checking out all the clothing, everything on the table, and I wasn't even able to get much footage as I was busy trying to sell everything on the table. During this moment here, we made over $100 in items. At this point, there was only 30 minutes left, and this was all the items we had remaining. Still a little bit left on the table, however, a lot better than when we started.
Now, it's been a few days and I've counted up all the money we've made, and in the end, we made $314. However, to set up a store there, it costed $25, so our total profit is $289. Now, $289 for a couple of hours of work and for me to get rid of some of my items is pretty good in my opinion. I was there for about 5 hours, which makes it around $57.80 per hour. However, this number will vary depending on how many items you bring to the market, what type of items you have, etc. However, what I do love about this side hustle is that anyone can do it. If you guys want me to run it back and do a few more days, let me know in the comments below. Also, a massive thank you to WeMoney for making this video possible. WeMoney is a budgeting and saving app trusted by over 500,000 Aussies and Kiwis. It's an app where you can track your spending and see exactly where your money is going, set budgets, and also check your net worth. There's even a community where people share tips about budgeting, saving, and side hustles as well. And I also have my own personal page on there where I share exclusive side hustle tips. So if you do want to check out the community, click the link down in the description below, and by signing up, you get $5 bonus as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until the next video, see you.